How to resize an image in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to resize an image in your Squarespace website. So we are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, head over the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to go to the website itself, select the website, and we're going to wait for a few seconds. Enter here, we're good. We're going to click on websites. Click on pages and choose the page where we want to start the process from. So we're going to click on edit. Now we're going to head over here. I'm going to do all things here on a clean section, but also you can go ahead and do the things into these sections that contain image blocks. I'm going to show you where or how you can do that on all the cases. I'm going to select this section. I'm going to add another image or another blank section, and we're going to start by adding images. So here, I'm going to select from the library an image for it. So I'm going to select this. And also, I'm going to duplicate this into 2 or 3 messages. I'm going to have this, not messages, but basically, let's say here, images. So we have the 3 images, and we have the section that contains an image. Let's start by the simple one here, or the simple task. If I am going to resize an image, I should only click on the image, and it is going to show us here, as you can see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's name them little or mini squares that will let us resize every corner of the image. If I'm going to select one of the corners, it is going to be a matter of, let's say here, a general size. If I'm going to put here a border from the borders or the horizontal or the vertical ones, it is going to help us here reduce the size of it vertically or horizontally. But here, as you can see, it is going to be something that is proportional. So if I click on edit and click on design, I'm going to click on fill, you're going to see that it is going to be changing. Here, it is going to be a vertical adjustment or resizing, also a horizontal one. So if I am going to have this thing set up like that, I have resized it like this. So I can go ahead and have whatever I want from the resize like that. And the more that you're going to increase the size, this zoomed in is going to have to the image. The less, for example, resizing, as you can see for the image, you're going to have a lot of zoom out. But here, I rather click on edit, design, fill, and it is going to give me the correct format that I want. So for this also, it is going to be something needed to put here fill. So you can go ahead and increase something only like that. Boom. Now, back on the section, as you can see, the section is going to be composed by, as you can see, a scrolling block, an image block, and a text block. The image block is going to be something like that. It is going to be proportional. So that means that it is going to be set up for settings on fill. If I click on edit, design, I'm going to see it on fill automatically. The filling, as you can see, let's say design, is going to help you to have a proportional exact same size as much as you want. But if you're going to put the fit, it is going to save the proportion of the images and put it as a little or a small one. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.